Hello guys, welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to check out some of the best AI content detection tools to see if it can detect content from chatgpt. So here I have an example. Write a short article about WooCommerce versus Shopify, and let's copy this article. The first AI content detector I will be testing out will be from writer.com, and let's paste in the article and let's check it out. And this place only lets you have 1,500 characters, so I'll just delete the last part. And okay, so far ChatGPT has passed this AI content detector from writer.com. It's telling me it is 100% human generated. The next content detector is from copyleaks.com, so let's paste in the article. Okay, this place is a little bit better. It's telling me it detected AI content, and you can highlight or hover over these paragraphs and it tells you like 75% probability. So overall it's about 75% probability for this article to be AI generated. And the next content detector is zerogpt.com, so let's paste it in here and detect. And here it is saying about, let's say, 50% probability of AI, and here it tells you which part is fishy or AI content generated. And the next one is AI content detector.online, and this one is saying a human score of 65%, so about 35% probability of AI. The next tool is content detector.ai, and the probability score here is 73%. This is AI content generated. Okay, so far the best AI content detection tools online for free is copyleaks.com, and I'll leave all the links down below. It is able to predict 75% probability for this GPT content. And next on the list is content detector.ai, which give it a probability of 73%. And this one is zerogpt.com, which predicted about 50%, and the rest so far is not very accurate. Human score 65%, 100% human, and 100% human generated content. So I'll leave the links down below for the top 3 AI content detection tools for free online, and I'll be testing more AI tools and reviews and tutorials. Thanks so much for viewing.